All right, we're going to install Debian12 to get this Ludus cyber range installed. So this is my Notion. Scroll down to the Install Debian12 and read the things, but most importantly, grab the installer. Get the net install. AMD64 probably. Once you get that, you can click here too. Get that. I'm going to install this as if I'm doing RAID0. So down here is the setup RAID0, which is on Discord, which is in the developers Discord, which will get you to this video, which will get you to manually partition the drive to do RAID0. So I'll get you up to that point by installing Debian through Ludus here. So we'll go create VM. We will say Ludus Test. Not there though. We'll put it in there. We'll do admin. We'll say next, next. We'll click on here. This is the net install ISO. So net install, next, next. We'll do 200 gigs. Next. Most likely you have like a 1 terabyte drive or something, maybe 2 terabyte drives actually would be great. Here I'll put the RAM is that much. I don't know what that is. We'll find out here in a second. I'll just say finish. We'll watch this spin up. We'll look at the hardware, and now we see that this needs to be adjusted by a lot. So what does this give us? Oh yeah, 312. I'd love to have that. That'd be amazing. Yeah, this will work. That'll work. 31 gigs, sure. Great. So here's our ISO. We'll go to the console, start it. I'll expand. Graphical install, sure, why not? Let me make this smaller actually. All right, so we'll do English. Yes. We'll do United States. Continue. We'll do basically English again, and it'll load some additional components. It'll configure IP stuff. It'll do DHCP. All right, so you can name it whatever. I just kept it Debian. Probably change later automatically. Domain name is nothing. Why is this not expanding like I would hope it would? But anyways, we'll continue. You want the root password to be something complex. Then we'll say continue. Full name of another user, so we're going to say server admin, and then server admin is the account, and then whatever the password's going to be. You know, like password 123. Continue. Pick your time zone. I'm doing Pacific. And then this right here is where the partition magic happens for manual. So if we go and pull up the RAID, that's where this comes into play. So goes into the whole deal. I'm not going to show you this whole thing. I'll just say you should go grab this video and go through this whole thing. It goes pretty fast, so I had to rewind it a couple different times. But anyways, it gets towards the end, partitioning, formatting, installing a base system. Okay, so that's where it stops there. So I'm just going to show you how it gets to the base system eventually. So ignore all this stuff because that's what you would be doing. There it is, install base system. So pretend we did the RAID. You watched the video. Now we're installing the base system. I'm going to see if I can make this like bigger. Oh, this won't expand. Huh. That is interesting. I wonder what happened. Refresh. And okay, there we go. All right, so installing the system shouldn't be that long. But we will figure this out together. How long? I don't know. Wait, isn't this the Debian sign? Oh yeah. Ignore what I'm doing. I'm just trying to make this go faster. Oh, look, it did. Here we go. What does this say? We want to, you have an option to scan the optional media. No, we don't want to, I don't want to do that. I can't see the continue button. It's down here. And let me move this. Believe me when I say it's down here. Here it is. In the United States, continue. Dev.debian.org, yep. And no proxy, okay. And this will configure some stuff. All right. Yeah, I think I'm going to pause this while it installs and then unpause. All right, I'm back, and it looks like this wants to anonymously supply developers with information, so we're going to say no and continue. Then we're back to the status. Oh, okay, that was quick. All right, so we don't need a Debian desktop environment. We don't need GUI stuff, but we do need an SSH server and standard system utilities. So continue. And I'll probably pause this so you don't have to go through everything I'm going through. Although it's going pretty fast. Oh, we can wait. Look at that. Open SSH server. Okay. Oh, grub. All right, I'm gonna pause it. Wait, never mind. What is this? Oh yeah, I'm installing grub. Yes, on this system, sure. And then I'm gonna grab this hard drive, and now I'm just gonna let it go. No, I'm gonna pause it. Okay, unpause, and let's make sure we remove the installation media. So let me go out here, go to the hardware, my ISO's here, I'll say remove. We'll go back here, and we'll say continue. So we should get a login right about now. Yep, okay, so server admin. Your super complex password, su to root, password, and then we have to do, we've got to make it so that we can SSH in. So we got to change the config file here with your favorite editor and just allow password authentication by removing that hash. $, whatever you want to call it. Save this, and then do a systemctl restart sshd. So that right there. And then yeah, then you should be able to log in to this system. Great. Well, that's it. Now you would go back to installing Ludus, grabbing the binary, and executing the binary. So like if you went back here, you went to my Notion and you went down to lab 2, you basically come down here and you'd grab the binary, which is right here. Or if you went the GUI route, you'd find it on the GUI through releases right here. Obviously this one's older, 135 is not 140. Get whatever the latest one is. Then you're gonna chmod exit, and then you're just gonna run it. And then this was fixed, so ignore all that. And eventually you'll start seeing this stuff happening, and you're on your way. All right, that's it. Have fun.